So we just got done eating at Jane's Cafe.
I had 3 mimosas.
We made it to Florida. And we got a cool car. So we're gonna go rip this thing around.
I'm going to.
Alright. Yeah, we just got here, so we're gonna drive to Naples, check into our hotel, and then go get something to eat because we've just been flying all day, so I'm starving. What are we doing today? We just woke up, we're gonna go get breakfast and explore Naples a little bit, maybe check out a beach, and then we're meeting with our realtor over kind of in the Cape Coral area later today, like 2, so we're gonna go drive around, look at some areas, and kind of get his opinions on what and where we should buy and rental rates and stuff like that, so should be pretty fun.
First, we're gonna go to a cafe, eat,
and then we're gonna check out some cool restaurants, maybe some cool golf clubs. There's like 47 golf courses in a 1 square mile in this place, so.
to Jane's Cafe, because this is Tarzan. I am Jane.
They said Jane's Cafe.
It is Jane's Cafe.
Where is it?
It's right in front of you. It's in the courtyard. It's secret.
Oh.
Only select officials know about.
Oh, that's cool. So we just got done eating at Jane's Cafe.
I had 3 mimosas.
Melissa's hammered.
Look at the car though, the pink car.
What'd you think? It was pretty good, wasn't it?
That was so good.
Yeah, the food here is like Cancun, just super clean. I had crepes and they were like really light and healthy tasting. Melissa likes this Jeep thing.
We're gonna go. Hey, friend, look at me. We're gonna go to a surf shop and find me a wetsuit.
Yeah, we're gonna give Melissa a wetsuit. And just go look around before we go meet with our realtor. So. It's a big old docker crawl. This freaking mansion. That thing's insane.
Sorry.
Look at this mansion. This thing's insane.
Oh, thanks.
Got flags
look at
flying. Dang.
Beautiful.
Well, what do you think so far?
I am in love.
Yeah, it's really pretty here. It's really quiet. We were just downtown and
Nice people.
I guess was it Thursday? Yeah, it is Thursday, so. But
Quieter for Thursday.
super quiet. We'll have to check it out Friday, see how loud it gets, but
Saturday, Miami.
yeah, we're gonna check out Miami, but yeah, end of April into May. The humidity's honestly not bad. It's pretty much the same humidity that we had in Idaho with the rain we get, and so it doesn't really bother us at all.
Not too bad.
Yeah, this must be like just
This is like new development area.
Driving McLaren. Thing's
a lot of the first areas to develop in Cape were like back behind in these neighborhoods because of this main thoroughfare.
okay.
So you've got Del Prado's a main road, Cape Coral Parkway is another main street that we'll see. Pine Island Road and Veterans are some of the main thoroughfares.
So are we in Cape Coral now?
Yes, we are in Cape right now.
Where's Fort Myers? Is that way?
Fort Myers is over the bridges.
Okay, that's where we just came to.
Yeah. And one of the places that we're going, I'll drive you to like a little park. You'll see an older Cape Coral neighborhood that has some golf access around it and stuff like that.
With Nick right here, he's going to show us around the Cape Coral area, kind of give us the insight on where the good areas are to buy and different style of houses and maybe some townhomes that are closer to the beach, and just get kind of shown around so we know what we're looking for.
Yeah, the beach area is Fort Myers, so we can do that on Monday and Tuesday if you like.
Okay.
Boating, fishing, stuff like that.
Lots of water.
Yeah, lots of water activities. That's really our main draw.
So some of those townhomes you sent me that are like anywhere from the 125 range, like the 1-bed, 1-baths, up to the 2-bed, 2-baths that are like 180.
Sure.
What, like on a 2-bed, 2-bath, what would the rental rate be, just kind of off the top of your head roughly?
Now, 2-bed, 2-bath, are you doing an annual rental or a vacation rental?
Annual.
Or are we doing it furnished? Or are we doing it not furnished? There's some variables.
So let's just do annual rental, and I mean, we'd throw like obviously all the appliances and washer and dryer in there.
Now, you're talking about a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom unit?
Let's just go with the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, because I saw a few of those on there.
2-bed, 2-bath.
Basically what I'm trying to get at is the ratios, because if like our mortgage is only $350 or $400 a month on one of those townhomes and it rents out for $800 a month, that'd essentially be the same as doing a single family home that rents out for $1,700, but our mortgage is higher, obviously.
So the thing that gets you typically on condos and townhomes, stuff like that, is the HOA dues.
Yeah.
Typically you can't get enough more in rent to offset what you're paying in HOA dues. So as an investor, I typically don't buy those properties.
Okay.
I also don't like dealing with HOAs.
Yeah.
That's me personally. Now,
yeah, I wouldn't
you guys
either.
have a different need because you're wanting to be by the beach.
Yes.
I'm okay driving 30 minutes to the beach. So that's a little bit of a different variance for me.
Yeah.
And you've got to do what works best for you.
Yeah.
You know, at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. I'm checking with my wife to verify what I think as far as rental amounts there, because she's the director of property management for
Oh, sweet.
so she controls the rental amount, stuff like that.
So
she's
is that
actually our business
office
development
your
officer.
brokerage?
It's not my brokerage.
A brokerage
no.
you guys
So,
work?
Travis, who's the broker of the office.
Okay.
Travis has been trying to get me to come into real estate since he's known me. So I've known him for about 5 years now. I come from commercial finance.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
I used
think
to
you
do
told me.
commercial lending and outside business development for banks. I did that for about 10 years.
Sweet.
When the pandemic hit, they wanted me chained to my desk for 40 hours a week. And
Yeah.
I'm not a chained to my desk kind of guy. At the position that I was working in, you had annual goals that you had to hit. I typically would have my annual goals hit by about April of every year.
Oh, sweet.
And I was able to work what is typically for most people an 80-hour-a-week job in about 20 hours.
Yeah.
So then I was running a pressure washing business. I had a maintenance company, and I was getting to spend some time with the family.
Nice.
So it was great. You know,
Yeah.
and I enjoyed it. I liked what I did, making more than enough money. And then when the pandemic hit, they wanted me to stay strapped to the desk, which I wasn't going to do. I have always known that I could do better in real estate,
Yeah.
but it was a nice comfort level, and I was the stable job while my wife was 1099,
Yeah.
and it was a nice kind of mix that way. But when they wanted me chained to the desk, I pretty much told them, like, look, if you try to do this, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
And they were like, well, you know, we've got to treat all employees the same. And I said, okay, well, bye.
Yeah.
And headed out, and I made more money in my first 3 months in commissions that I did all of last year.
Nice.
So it's going really well. And I buy and flip properties too, which I just started this year. I will make more off one flip than I made all of last year in banking.
Nice.
It's ridiculous. So there's really good money to be made if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, for sure.
It's just a...
What'd you think of Cape Coral?
It was nice.
Not as cool as Naples?
I love Naples.
Yeah, Naples is. Yeah, Cape Coral is like mainly just suburb style type area.
It looks like everyone lives there but works in Naples.
Or Fort Myers. We haven't checked out
Yeah.
Fort Myers yet. We'll go look there. I guess there's more beaches and stuff, but there wasn't really any cool beaches or houses near the beach in Cape Coral. So, but the houses are cheaper and the rental rates are still high over there. So we'll probably buy our rentals over there and then look at buying a house for us in the Naples area. So we're heading to dinner now. What restaurant are we going to?
Le Français.
What?
The French.
Oh,
It's a super famous restaurant. It's been in like old cafe movies.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going there and see how the food is and get some dinner and then just hang out for the rest of the night. So tomorrow I think we're gonna go hang out on that beach actually instead of just look at it, and then maybe look at some houses over in Naples and see where everything's at. Yeah, that's about it.